Namaste children. Today we are going to learn new chapter, that is chapter 10, shapes and patterns. Let us begin with lines. Children, can you identify what are these lines? These are sleeping lines, standing lines. Now we are going to call sleeping lines as horizontal lines, standing lines as vertical lines, and these are slanting lines. Examples of straight lines are straight road, edges of your mathematics textbook, edges of a door. Vertical line, horizontal line, slanting lines are types of straight lines. We are going to draw a straight line with the help of ruler or scale. Horizontal line, vertical line, and this is slanting line. These are curved lines. Examples of curved lines are curved road, edges of hairband, edges of frock. Now let us learn about shapes. Children, do you know every object has a different shape? Some shapes are made with straight lines and some with curved lines. And each shape has a name. So let us learn about different names of shapes. Children, in plane shape, these straight lines are called as sides. See here, we have one horizontal line, one vertical line, again one horizontal line, again one vertical line. So there are how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4. These lines are called as sides. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And what are corners? When these two lines, vertical line and horizontal line, joins, that point is called as corner. Horizontal line and vertical line is joining here. So this is a corner. Here horizontal line and vertical line is joining here. So this is also a corner. Vertical line and horizontal line are joining here. This is also a corner. Horizontal line and vertical line is joining here. So this is also a corner. So how many corners we have? 1, 2, 3 and 4 corners. In the same way, we can find out how many sides and corners are there in plane shapes. RECTANGLE, rectangle. This is a rectangle. It has two big horizontal lines and two small vertical lines. How many sides are there in rectangle? 1, 2, 3 and this one 4. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. And how many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4. The rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. SQUARE, square. This is a square. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. In square, all sides are equal. And how many corners? 1, 2, 3 and 4 corners. Square has 4 sides and 4 corners. All sides are equal in a square. CIRCLE, circle. Children, this is a circle. Do you see any straight lines? No, we don't see any straight lines in this circle. It means a circle has no corners and no sides. TRIANGLE, T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. This is a triangle. It has three sides. 1. From here to here. 2. 3. It has 1, 2 and 3 sides. And it has 1, 2 and 3 corners. Triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. O-V-A-L, oval. This is an oval. We don't see any sides and corners in oval. It means oval has no sides, no corners. Rectangle, square, circle, triangle and oval are called as plane figures. For example, this is a rectangle. It is a plane figure because it has only length and width. It doesn't have any thickness. Plane figures are also called as two-dimensional shapes. It means it has only two faces. This is first face and this is second face. Children, in page number 126, let us read the heading. See the object given below. Write its shape and number of sides and corners. See the object. What is the shape of this? This is a triangle. Right. And how many sides and corners a triangle have? It has 1, 2, 3 sides. How many sides? 3 sides. And how many corners? 1, 2, 3. Now let us see this one. This is a postcard. Its shape is rectangle. It has how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 4 corners. In the same way, complete remaining 2. Now, let us learn about solid shapes. C-U-B-E, cube. C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. C-O-N-E, cone. C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R, cylinder. Children, remember, solid shapes have faces, edges and corners. Children, in any shape, the outer surface is called as face. See, this is the outer surface of this box. Even this is also an outer surface of this box. This is also an outer surface of this box. So, in any shape, the outer surface is called as face. And where two faces will meet, this face and this face is meeting here. So this is called as edge. And we already know what are corners. These are corners. We call them as corners. So outer surface of any shape is called as face. Where two faces meet, they are called as edges, and these ends are called as corners. Children, look at this shape. How does it look? It is looking like a rectangle, right? Two horizontal big lines and two vertical small lines. So it is looking like a rectangle. But in solid shapes, we call this as cuboid. What is this? This is a cuboid. Now, shall we count how many faces are there in a cuboid? 1, back side 2, up 3 and down 4, left side 5 and this side 6. Total how many faces? There are 6 faces. Let us count once again. 1, 2, 3 and back side 4. This side 5 and this side 6. There are 6 faces in a cuboid. And how many edges? 1, 2, down 3 and here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again this side. 9, 10, 11 and 12. So there are 12 edges in a cuboid. And how many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4. This side. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 corners. So a cuboid has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Children, what is this? You say it as a ball. But in solid shapes, we call these kind of balls as sphere. See the outer surface. The outer surface of a sphere is curved. So, we call this as face. It has only one curved face. Do you see any corners or edges here? No, we don't see any corners or edges in sphere. So, sphere has only one face. Children, can you identify what is this? It looks like a square, right? See, all sides are equal. This is a gift box. In solid shapes, we call this as cube. Cube has how many faces? Let's count. 1, back side. 2, up 3, down 4, left side 5 and right side 6. In cube, there are 6 faces. And how many edges? 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and this one is 12. So there are 12 edges. And how many corners? 1, 2. This is a corner. 3, 4. Down 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 corners. Cube has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Children, look at this shape. This is a cylinder. It has 3 faces. One flat face, one more flat face and one curved face. Means it has 3 faces. And how many corners? No corners. We don't see any corners in cylinder. And how many edges? This face and this face is joining here. So we call it as one edge. And this face is joining here. So this is one more edge. So a cylinder has 3 faces, 2 edges and 0 corners. Children, this is a cone. It has 2 faces. One flat face, one curved face. And how many edges? It has only one edge. See, this face and this face is joining here. So we have only one edge in cone. And how many corners? Only one corner. So a cone has 2 faces, one edge and one corner. Solid shapes are also called as three-dimensional shapes because it has length, width and thickness. Children, in page number 129, let us read the first question. Take the correct answers. I have 6 faces. I am a cube or sphere. Which one has 6 faces? Cube. I have 8 corners. I am a cuboid or cone. Which shape has 8 corners? Cuboid. So, in the same way, complete the remaining. Now, let us learn about patterns. What is pattern? A pattern is the way objects are arranged. For example, look at this peacock. It has same patterns of feathers. Now, look at this train. It has same patterns of windows. Now, look at this zebra crossing lines. It has same pattern of lines. In same way, In mathematics, a pattern is a repeated arrangement of numbers, shapes, colors, and so on. For example, look at these numbers. Here, numbers are arranged repeatedly in a pattern. Children, in page number 131, question is, look at the given patterns and draw the missing figure. 2 circles, 1 triangle. Again we should get 2 circle, 1 triangle. 2 circle, 1 triangle. So this is a pattern. And here square, rectangle, square, rectangle, square. After square we need to draw a rectangle. Again square and a rectangle. So this is also a pattern. In the same way complete remaining. Children, in page number 133, they have given us a pattern and to complete it. They are adding number 3 to all the numbers here. So 2 plus 3 is 5, 12 plus 3 is 15, 22 plus 3 is 25, 32 plus 3 is 35, 42 plus 3 is 45, 52 plus 3 is 55. The same way complete the remaining. Now look at this pattern. 6 plus 4 is 10. 16 plus 4 is 20. 26 plus 4 is 30. 36 plus 4 is 40. 46 plus 4 is 50. In the same way complete the remaining. Look at the patterns and find the rules. One has been done for you. See here, multiplied by 2 and they have given us some numbers. So 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. 9 multiplied by 2 is 18. In the same way, let us find the multiplication number here. So 5 multiplied by which number? 5 ones 5, 5 twos 10, 5 threes 15, 5 fours 20. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. 9 multiplied by 5 is 45. 6 multiplied by 5 is 30. In the same way, complete the remaining boxes. Children, in page number 134, we have worksheet to do. Let us read the first question. Write number of sides and corners in the following shape. What is the shape? Square. How many sides a square have? 4 sides and 4 corners. See this one. This is a triangle. How many sides? 3 sides, 3 corners. Circle. You have to understand and fill the blanks. Now let us see second one. Name the following 2 cubical objects. We have to write the examples of 2 cube objects. What are the examples of 2 cube objects? Rubik cubes and dice. We use dice to play snake and ladder and ludo, etc. 2 cylindrical objects. We have to write the examples of 2 cylindrical objects. The object which looks like cylinder. What is that? Candle, water bottle. In the same way, complete remaining 3. Now let us see question 3. Complete the pattern up to 4 blanks. 2 squares, 1 circle, 1 rectangle. Again 2 squares, 1 circle. After circle, 1 rectangle. Again 2 squares. See the colors. These 2 are in green, pink, red. Green, pink, red, green. Okay, this is a pattern with shapes and colors. Right, in the same way, complete C. Now complete the patterns. They have given us numbers pattern. 1 is written 1 time. 2 is written 2 times. 3 is written 3 times. 4 is written 4 times. After 4, 5. 5 should be written 5 times. This is a number pattern. Now let us see B. 1, 2 they are skipping, 3, 4 they are skipping, 5, 6 skipping, 7, 8 is skipping, 9, after 9, 10 is skipping, 11, 12 skipping, 13, 14 skipping, 15, 16 skipping, 17, 18 skipping, again 19. In the same way, complete these two.